While artificial intelligence, AI, holds tremendous potential for positive impact, there are indeed concerns and risks associated with its development. Here are some of the dangers associated with AI. 1. Unemployment. Advancements in AI and automation could lead to significant job displacement. As machines become more capable of performing tasks traditionally done by humans, there is a concern that large-scale automation could lead to widespread unemployment and socioeconomic disruption. 2. Bias and discrimination. AI systems are trained on data, and if the training data is biased or reflects societal prejudices, the AI systems can perpetuate and amplify those biases. This can result in discriminatory outcomes in areas such as hiring, lending, and criminal justice, further exacerbating existing inequalities. 3. Privacy and security risks. AI systems often rely on vast amounts of personal data, raising concerns about privacy and data security. If not adequately protected, sensitive information can be misused, leading to identity theft, surveillance, or other malicious activities. 4. Ethical considerations. As AI becomes more autonomous and capable of making decisions, ethical dilemmas arise. For instance, self-driving cars may have to make split-second decisions that involve choosing between different harmful outcomes, raising questions about programming ethical considerations into AI algorithms. 5. Lack of accountability. Autonomous AI systems can make decisions without human intervention, making it challenging to attribute responsibility when mistakes or accidents occur. This lack of accountability raises legal and ethical concerns, particularly in critical domains such as healthcare and autonomous weapons systems. 6. AI arms race. The development of AI technologies for military applications could lead to an arms race, with countries striving to gain a competitive advantage. This could increase the risk of unintended consequences, escalation, and potential misuse of AI-powered weapons. 7. Superintelligence and control. The concept of superintelligent AI, where AI systems surpass human intelligence, raises concerns about loss of control. If AI systems become vastly more intelligent than humans, the potential consequences and the ability to align their goals with human values become uncertain. 8. Dependency and vulnerability. As society becomes more reliant on AI systems, there is a risk of dependency and vulnerability. If critical systems are compromised or fail, it can have significant consequences, such as disruptions in transportation, healthcare, or communication. Addressing these dangers requires careful consideration, responsible development, and robust ethical frameworks. It is crucial to prioritize transparency, fairness, accountability, and human oversight in the design, deployment, and regulation of AI systems to mitigate potential risks and ensure that AI technologies are developed and used for the benefit of humanity.